How to get free Bitcoin in 2025. Gemini hack. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in crypto. But in 2025, you can actually get started with as little as $100. And here's the kicker. Gemini will give you $15 in Bitcoin just for making your first trade. Let me break this down so you don't miss out. This is Regantix, where we help you command your wealth and secure your future with smart money hacks, investing strategies, and tools that actually work. Here's the problem. Most beginners never invest because they think they don't have enough money, or they're afraid of picking the wrong platform. They sit on the sidelines while inflation eats away at their savings. That's where Gemini comes in. It's one of the most secure crypto platforms out there, built for beginners but trusted by experienced traders. And right now, if you sign up and make your first $100 trade, you'll get $15 in Bitcoin added to your account. Here's how it works. Click the Gemini link in my description. Create your free account, deposit $100, and make your first trade. Within days, you'll see $15 in Bitcoin in your account. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start investing in crypto, this is it. $15 free just for taking action. Use my link below and start today.